Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the Drive API and creating OAuth client credentials in Google Cloud Console so Power BI can authenticate. Once done, install Power BI Desktop if needed and confirm you have either the Google Drive connector or will use the web connector for file links. Make sure your data files, CSV, Excel, or JSON, are grouped in one Drive folder to simplify access. This reduces permission complexity and speeds the next steps where you link or import specific file. You are now authenticate from Power BI using the OAuth client ID you created. You will be prompted to grant Drive access, accept only the scopes you need. If using the web connector, copy a shared Drive link and adjust it to the export/download URL for raw file access. Paste that into Power BI. If using the native connector, point to the Drive folder, select Files, and click Transform Data. In Power Query, you can filter, combine binaries, and shape columns before loading. This step controls data quality and structure. Finish by loading your transformed tables into the Power BI model, verify data types, and define relationships so reports behave predictably. Once satisfied, publish the dataset to Power BI service and set up scheduled refresh. If your data is local or behind a firewall, configure an on-premises data gateway. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip is to revalidate OAuth consent and token scopes and confirm Drive file sharing permissions. Often refresh failures stem from expired tokens or overly restrictive sharing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.